Today we are going to be drawing angles with a specific measure or a given measure. So we can draw angles with a straight edge of any measure pretty easily. If we want them to be a certain size though, we do need a protractor. So if you do not have your ruler and protractor, please pause the video and go grab them quickly. So our first example asks us to draw an angle that measures 145 degrees. So using a ruler, we're going to draw a horizontal line. We're going to start, this is going to be one of the arms, so just going to be our baseline. Then what we're going to do is we're going to place our protractor on that line using this center to line up with where we're going to put the vertex of our angle. And because my 0 is on the outside, we're going to use the outside measurements to go over to 145. We're going to do a little bit of a tick just as a way to show where we're going to draw that. Then we are going to pick up our protractor and we'll have that little line out there and we're going to connect that line to the vertex. Now to double check, what we can do is we can put our protractor back on top and see to make sure that we have actually drawn it 145 degrees. Just like in measuring angles, drawing reflex angles can be a little bit tricky. When we are drawing reflex angles, we're going to use the same idea that a full rotation is 360 degrees. So if I want to draw an angle of 280 degrees, that is not on most protractors. So I have to take 360 degrees and subtract 280. That's going to give me that inside piece of my angle, and I'm going to draw that angle first. I'm going to draw an 80-degree angle, and then instead of putting my angle measurement curve showing me where I'm measuring on the inside, I'm actually going to put it on the outside instead. And so here is going to be my 280-degree measurement or angle here, not the inside. So we kind of have to do a bit of a workaround when we're given a reflex angle. So there are a collection of some practice questions here. Try to draw some angles. Once you draw them, remember to remeasure them or maybe have someone else in your house measure them just to see how accurate you're being. I don't expect you to be dead on. If you're off by a degree or two, that is perfectly normal. Oftentimes our pencil is thicker than 1 degree or we slip a little bit. But if you're supposed to draw an angle of 20 degrees and you draw a 40-degree angle, then we probably need to do some more practice. So just keep that in mind as you're going through, and good luck.